Hey, how's it going? This is Bad to the Bob. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and as always, I'm doing Bob things. I recently just picked up the DJI Controller 2 for my Avata, and now I need a bigger case. For those of you have seen my previous video, I had a smaller portable case that holds the Avata, a couple of batteries, as well as the motion controller and goggles. So this is the case that I purchased. It's from Skyreat. So let's take a look inside and see how it's laid out. Okay, this is the Skyreat hard case for the Avata and its accessories. I just got this again a couple of days ago. So let's see what's inside. Alright, so first thing you gotta do is open these latches, and just want to let you know that there's in this mechanism, there's a little button that you press, and then you can open it up easily just like that. Just be aware, because I tried it first when I first got it, just to try to open it like so, and I had a hard time. Then I realized there's a little mechanism in here, so just push that button down and it opens. Let's see how this thing is laid out. Okay, hope you can see that. Let me just do a little adjustment. There you go. So you got the cutout for the drone, and inside here you have some cavities, compartments. One for the goggles, the goggle battery, and then you have that little charger for that one battery, or they can charge one battery. Now if you did buy the Fly More kit, it comes along with 2 more extra batteries and also the charging hub. And here you have the compartment for your goggles, your motion controller, and the DJI controller 2, and compartments for 4 batteries. So let's put some of this stuff in here. This is the charging hub that I got with the Fly More kit, and it fits right here like so. And then here's the battery for the goggles, and there's a compartment there for it. And then this is the charger that comes along with the basic aircraft for 1 battery. So there's a compartment for that, but you know, if you have your charging hub, you really don't need this. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there because it has room for it. And then you do have the batteries. I do have only 3 batteries, so you just place those in there like that. And I'm just going to use this battery, or excuse me, this compartment, just to accommodate the cable for the goggles and the battery cable to the goggles. So I'll just put that in there. Okay. And then here's the remote controller. Fits perfect. Oh, fits perfect. Like so. And then the goggles. Just put your headband like so, and just flip it in there. That fits pretty good. And then the hand controller, the hand motion controller. And here's the drone. I took the battery out to leave a little bit more room under this cavity that they have there. So what I would probably put under this area is like the extra prop. And I think I have this little accessory there, and maybe the extra cable like so. Alright, and then I put in the drone. I think it's this direction. There you go. So it fits perfectly there. So, and also got some ND filters for the drone. So there you go. It's a lot heavier than my other portable case that I got for the Avata, but that case only holds everything here what you see here except the controller. slap it in. So there you go. That's the case. Okay, so that's it. That's the Skyreat case. And if you're interested in getting one, I'll provide a link below. And I think I paid $80 plus tax on Amazon.com. And if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.